Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. I'm Harsh Kumar and this is the part 2nd of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. In this video, we discuss about variables. So what are variables? Let us see in the VS Code. Variables are like a container for a data. We can store a value in the memory and label that with a certain meaningful name which we can easily use further in our code. Let us see it in the action. Let variable name is equal to data. This is the syntax to declare the variable. Let keyword followed by the variable name and the value. We can store any type of value. So let me comment it out. We can do simple calculation without variable easily. Let me show you. Alert 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 5. So why we need variable? See, when you code a real program, it's not just a simple adding two number. We used to code complex and difficult task in the real world scenario. So let me tell you how variables are used. Let me comment this alert. Let first number is equal to 11. Let second number equal to 64. Let result equal to first name plus second name. Let me print the result in the console. Console log. Let me add a statement. The sum of two numbers equal to result. So let us check. Refresh. Inspect. Let me zoom. The sum of two number is 75. The main thing you have to take care of, always use a meaningful variable name. Never use like this. Let a is equal to variable name like this or x. These are very immature and not good for your code. The best practice for the variable name is camel case. Like if your variable name consists of two words, like first name, there are two words in first name. The first letter of the first word will be in a small, and second letter of the second word will be in capital. So it is called camel casing. And that's all for now. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the notification bell for the latest videos. And now you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is harshgsdev. Thank you for watching. Keep coding, keep learning, keep improving day by day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.